Hi, Testing Gil here. I love teaching people about test-driven development. TDD is revolutionary in quite a few ways, and when I talk about it, I say it's a really new way to write code. It's not just the order of test first, code later. It actually changes your thinking of how coding and design are done. But there's one thing about TDD that no one talks about, and I think that's TDD's biggest advantage. And I mean next level big. You ready? It makes you stop. Not impressed? Okay, let me explain. I've been developing since age 10, and one thing that hasn't changed much since then, I have a plan in my head. And my fingers rush to the keyboard and type this incredibly beautiful plan into really executing wonder of the world. It's complete, it's beautifully designed, and it's working, mostly. I realize there are cracks in the walls and I need to put in some sort of installation system and move some windows around. Maybe I've left a door out or two. And these additions are painful and risky. And I hate myself for not thinking about these things up front, because it was obvious that I'd need a door or two, right? Building software is like that. We don't and can't think of everything in advance, and therefore it's impossible to create a great design in one shot. TDD just puts the brakes in, so you can think. Sure, you can rush in, know what you need to build, and then build everything at once and then start moving things around, pain included. TDD creates breaks in your flow, and those breaks allow you to think before you type something you might regret. Chances are, and I've experienced that many times, you'll build more robust software. And if you need to change it, and you will, you already have tests to help you with that. TDD is great because of many things, but helping you think before you type, that's a game changer. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for the support, and remember, live long and test.